Hello everybody, my name is Mitchie and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank, A Crack in Time. It's time for your Great Clock orientation. Follow Sigmund to the orientation room to learn more about your duties as the senior caretaker. So,
Just use your helipack, sir.
Here we go. Repair things as we go.
What do they say? Never put up today what you've already done yesterday. No, that's not right. Always do today what you didn't put up yesterday. Nope, that wasn't it either. Yeah, well, it was something about doing stuff and when it should be done.
Huh.
This way, sir.
Isn't there turret troops or something in here?
Ah, great. More terror tropes.
Activate that.
Take them up with the chronoceptor. There's another one.
Gamma Zulu. Recommend replacement immediately.
Huh.
Got it. Let's go, sir.
Yep, there's stuff to fix, Sigmund. Fix that. Fix that. There we go.
Sigmund, why am I not affected by
Temporal
altered
recording
time?
initiated.
That's your quantum actuator at work. It provides temporal immunity for those of us who protect time.
Huh. And just before we do anything... Alrighty. So now my past selves open up the door for me. And that gets repaired. And you get a shit ton of bolts out of it, which doesn't make a lot of sense, but it is what it is. 402.
Awesome is part of the clock. Large screen Crystal X display. VG 9800 game system. The works. Take a seat, sir. Orientation video is about to start.
It's just this beautiful antique chair in the Great Clock, the one thing that holds the universe together.
Dun da da da! Orvus Industries presents The Great Clock and You with your host, Orvus.
Hello! And, oh, is it on? Sigmund, the light is blinking. Should it be blinking?
Nah. Hold on, sir. Okay, try now.
Hello, and welcome to the Great Clock. You're here because you've been selected to join our team. And we couldn't be happier to have you. We have a lot to discuss. But first, let's take a look at what the Great Clock is. Eons ago, our kind entrusted the Fongoids with a special gift. The gift of time travel. We had hoped it would enrich their lives as it did ours. But unfortunately...
They loused it up.
Sigmund, let's just say they were overzealous in its use. After only 3,000 short years, the Fongoids' use of time travel wore the space-time continuum thin. Paradoxes stacked on top of paradoxes, conundrums on top of conundrums, until one day, a tiny rift in the continuum destroyed 83 celestial entities. Existence, it seemed, was at an end. If the universe was to survive, it would need a heart transplant. So, I designed a special gift to repair the damage. The Great Clock. Built in the exact center of the universe, give or take 50 feet. The clock would repair the rift and restore temporal normality to the universe. And that, my son, is where you come in. There are only two rules concerning the operation of the Great Clock. Number one, under no circumstances is it to be used as a time machine. The clock is not meant to alter time, only to keep it. Number two, should you find yourself wanting to use the clock as a time machine, consult rule number one. Did you hear that, Sigmund? Because rule number one, you see, says don't do it.
Brilliant, sir.
All right. Let's go have some tea.
Incredible. The Great Clock is responsible for temporal stability across the universe?
Now you know why Orvus kept it such a secret. Without this station, the universe would just collapse on itself.
And where is the real Orvus?
I told you. It's a secret. Now, come on. It's time for another lesson.
Oh. Use the mnemonic chamber?
Hello, XJ0461. It's good to see you again. And now it's time for your most important lesson.
What am I learning this time?
The clock's primary function is to maintain temporal normality. When that normality is threatened, you must act to repair it immediately.
Detected on Creely Comet.
Ah, the Creely Comet. Beautiful, isn't it? But as you can see, it has fallen prey to temporal rifts. As caretaker, it's up to you to fix it. Go ahead, give it a try. Fix the rifts by focusing your chronoceptor's beam on each anomaly.
And there.
Quite well.
Oh. Over time it gets worse. Critically broken ones will split into multiple.
Temporal ribbon inbound in 3, 2, 1.
So this stuff right now, like the first time that we were playing as Ratchet, and Quark said it's like time is all not working. That and all that blue stuff that looked like time was stopped. It's because of these rifts, and we are repairing those rifts in the planets. You can repair the rifts in the planets. This isn't doing anything. This is just like a simulation in our brain. Oh, get out of here, dude. Here we go. Nope, not happening. Come on. There we go.
Excellent work, dear boy. Now come.
Oh.
There's one more thing I want to show you.
Okay. Throw. Alright, what are we doing, Orvus?
When they fire at you, just swing your chronoceptor and give them a taste of their own medicine.
Just sends it right
Time
back to them.
reversal is also handy for rewinding anything your enemies throw at you. I hope you don't mind, but I borrowed these figments from your subconscious.
Oh.
All right, figments, snap to it. You're a natural. Wonderful, wonderful.
It is sort of mini-game-ish, I guess. See, a lot of people don't like it, but it slows the game down a little bit. I understand that.
Good show. It very much reminds me of a sport I read about once called baseball.
Baseball? I wonder how old Orvus is. Obviously very.
I'm very proud of you, XJ0461. And now, you're ready for the task ahead. Go forth and fix time. Save the universe. When you're ready, my chamber will be waiting. Program terminated.
So Orvus is a Zoni, but he was...
Are you ready to repair time?
Ready as I will ever be, Sigmund. May I ask, what is the chamber?
Ah, the Orvus chamber. That's the main control hub of the entire facility. It's also the most secure. I've never been inside it myself, but I hear it's massive. The entire universe. This is one of our planets. Your first task as senior caretaker is to repair the damage caused by Dr. Nefarious. Just meet me back here when you're finished.
There we go. So yeah, we need to repair these planets. Get out of here. So we can go back to planets that Clank has repaired as Ratchet and get stuff like other Zoni, other mods, gold bolts.
Quantum restoration initiated.
Ah, so hitting one of them
Temporal ribbon inbound in 3, 2, 1.
does good stuff. There we go. Oh, super fast.
Ribbon inbound in 3, 2, 1.
There we go. Come on.
Nicely done.
Uh-huh. Oh, didn't even need to hit that one. I'm just too good.
Seeker detected.
Break that.
Temporal ribbon impact
Come on.
in 3.
Good at this, sir.
I am, certainly. It's very tedious.
Seeker detected.
It's very tedious work, which is why a lot of people don't like it, but I love it. I love the game. I love it so much.
Temporal normality restored to planet Quantos.
That was amazing, sir.
Quantos. 1 out of 3. Ah.
Temporal recording in.
Uh-huh.
Temporal
Da-da.
recording. Temporal recording initiated.
Open that. Come over here. Do this. And then get off. Now play as
Temporal
yellow.
recording initiated.
Oh, not there. We need to go this way. Stand on that. Sideways. Open up the door. Now play as green
Temporal
again.
recording initiated.
Open the door. Lower the lift. Lift it up. And we're home free. Yes. Oh. This is so cool. It's just the sheer size of the Great Clock and what it does. It's crazy to think about. I'm fucking speed running, god damn. Ah. Yeah. 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 There we go.
Quantum restoration
Okay.
initiated.
And the energized power up will allow your beam to fix little anomalies
Temporal
extra
ribbon
quickly.
impact in 3, 2, 1. Temporal ribbon impact in 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Come on. There we go. Oh, broke that fucking rift thing before it even spawned. No, you don't. Oh, ha, ha. Come on. There we go. Let's break that.
Warning. Rift seeker detected.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Break that son of a bitch.
Warning. Rift
And one more, one more, one more. There we go.
seeker detected.
That's how it's done.
Normality restores to planet Torin 4.
Torin 4. So that's the planet that we found Azimuth on when we were playing as Ratchet. So now we can go back there and there will be no time normalities happening there, basically. Jeez, evil little thing.
Temporal recording initiated.
There we go. That activates all that.
Lockdown. Temporal recording initiated.
Oh god, don't go too far. Come on. There. Jump again. Jump again. There we go. God, these bolts just come out of nowhere.
Here you go, sir.
Okay, we've got one more planet left to fix while we're with Clank.
Junior caretaker to Solana Terminal 6.
Get out of here.
Repeat. Junior caretaker to Solana Terminal 6.
Do it again, I dare you. You're dead now.
Hold on, sir. I'll get the door.
Thank you. Oh, here we go. Puzzle time. Okay.
Temporal recording initiated.
And there we go. Oh, can I get there in time? No. Okay, I fixed that
Temporal
one.
recording initiated.
Get over here. Plenty of time. And what does this do? There and then up. There we go. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Power up. Okay, off that. Oh, fuck, turret troops. Oh, come on, 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 come on. There we go. Okay, they should come for me. Come on, and yeah. Now you get up here. There we go. Oof. Oh shit, more of them. Oh. God, there's a lot of them.
Doors open, sir.
Thank you. And we're coming up to the last planet that we need to repair, I believe. So I'm actually not entirely sure on the lore of how Clank pretty much was made.
Failure detected in Versa Fuse 00173 Gamma Zulu. Recommend replacement immediately.
Oh god. Because in the first Ratchet and Clank, he's created in the factory, but was that all orchestrated by Orvus and then had, like, because he said that he had a soul. He actually said that. He said that Clank had a soul. Ow. Oh, come on. Just die. Come on. Oh, come on.
Detected on planet Terracnos.
Terracnos. Right, so that's the city one that we did with Ratchet. Will slow down time across the planet. Okay. Okay, slow down time. Activate. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. No reason to hit that, but I just fucking did. Oh, come on.
Ribbon impact in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, ho, ho. Oh, get everything.
Temporal ribbon impact.
No. Oh, thank God I was there for that one. Oh, breaking everything. Not many now. Come on. Yep, come on. There we go. All done. Repaired all of the planets.
I am the junior caretaker computer. Now open the door.
It would not hurt to say please once in a while.
Yeah, even the computer of the Great Clock has feelings, man. Come on, Sigmund. I'm just throwing time bombs everywhere.
Accessing archives.
Hello, Sigmund. Just wanted to let you know I will be traveling to the Tombly outpost on Xanathar and will not be back until morning. A fellow scientist has requested an audience with me, and etiquette dictates I comply.
Don't go, sir.
Mind the clock while I'm gone. Wind the time cleaners, and, Sigmund, let's just keep this our little secret. As the kids say, BRB.
Please don't go.
End recording.
It's dangerous.
So we are going to see the effects of Orvus actually doing that. Like what happened. The Korthos sector. Oh yeah, it's a boss fight now, isn't it?
Warning. Warning. Hostile ships detected.
Well. What do we have here? Oh, looks like this Lombax is lost.
What do you say, girls? Should we help him find his way?
Cassie, we've picked up a signature 3,000 kilocubits north of Orak Minor. It's a Lombax ship.
General Azimuth. The bounty's up to 2 million bolts on him. Libra, be a good girl and take care of our friend. We'll kill the Elder.
Okay.
General, come in.
Oh,
Got
shit.
Hostile ships inbound.
I see them. They're Valkyries. Expert pilots who work for Nefarious. I'll lose them in the asteroid
Uh-huh. Go. Whoa. Okay, so we're actually trapped in this fight right now. Okay, so we need to destroy other ships. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. Come on. I've only destroyed one ship. Come on, let's do this. Oh. This went from 1 to 5. God. We don't do a lot of damage with our ship. Whoa! And there we go. Whoa, hold on. Holy shit, we lost a lot of health there. Oh, there's health over there. I see health. There we go. So we need to defeat the Valkyrie leader before we can do anything. Ow. Ah. Oh god, we might die. Really gonna need health. Oh, health. Give it to me. 64 out of 200. Oh, come on. Oh, there's more health coming to me. Oh, whoa! Ho ho! I am not paying much attention to the actual targets. Rapid fire. Come on. One more ship and then I can fight Libra. Come on. There we go. Ow, god damn it. Holy shit, god damn it. Come on. Damage. Yes!
Captain is down! I repeat, Captain is down! All units, pull back to Orak Minor!
Huh. Yee! Alrighty. Now let's actually get to where we are meant to be. Lumos. Planet Lumos in Krell Canyon. Zoni! There's a Zoni here. Oh, there's Azimuth's ship.
Perfect timing. I've triangulated the Obsidian Eye's location, somewhere in these caves. Follow me. Stay close.
Okay, first...
I present to you the ultimate problem solver. Welcome back, Chief.
That's a sniper. Sniper type weapon, anyway.
We have to find a way to raise that mining platform. Your father and I used to come here all the time when we were children. Back when this was a raritanium mine. Looks all dried up now, but believe me, this whole place used to shimmer. We'd sneak in after the Vullards left and just huff a boot through the darkness. Caden almost broke his arm. Nice job, Ratchet! I knew you could do it. Come on, get back up here and let's find that eye.
Let's go find the eyeball. Now, what were you saying?
Looks ripe enough to spring you back to the surface. Try jumping on it.
Why is there one on this platform here? Oh. Across the pipes. Oh, good. Up. There we go.
Well, come on. Let's search the caves.
Let's search the caves.
Hold up. See that nest over there? Tetramites. Stay close, and whatever happens, do not let them touch you.
What happens if they do?
Let's just say they can digest anything. Now remember, tetramites hate water. If we can get to the other side of that creek, we'll be fine. Let's move.
Aha.
Ratchet, hurry!
I will. In the next episode. I'm gonna leave it on a cliffhanger. It's been going for almost half an hour now. I've been recording for, but yeah. So now we are in Krell Canyon, planet Lumos, and those tetramites, I think that's what they call them. Yeah, you don't want them to touch you because they just whittle down your health really, really quickly and then just kill you, and then you just see them jumping all over your body. It's real bad, but we won't have that happen. Hopefully we won't have that happen. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.